Hello, my fellow unboxers. I hope you're doing well today. I have my very first Chewy Goody Box. Now, this is the Halloween bundle. This was $19.99, and they do have other bundles available at $24.99. And there's a bunch of different ones. You can get one for your cat or just for your dog. It's either or, not both. So I was lucky enough to score this for $19.99. This was just the other day. It came super fast, so they might have some still available for Halloween. So let's see what's in this. Look how cute. Look how cute this box is. All decked out for Halloween. The other side says Chewy on it. So let's see. We have the little Chewy tissue paper. That's what's inside, a little peek. Spooky Tales. Spooktacular Halloween taboo list. Oh, it's a banner. How awesome. I can hang that right there. That's pretty awesome. Frozen candy corn bones. So I imagine these are treats for your dog. They have a little recipe on there. Cool. All right, what else? Ooh, I see a bandana. Love it. Little pumpkin bandana for your pet. This one is by Frisco. That's a very popular brand in like all of the pet shopping stores around. It's Frisco. That's cute. We have some treats. These are American Journey snacking sticks. They're soft and chewy. What do they say? Grain-free, which is good. If you have a dog that is diabetic or borderline diabetic, avoiding grains helps with that. This is the chicken recipe. What else? Oh, look at that. Ooh. Look how cute. This is also from Frisco, the Halloween Boo plush squeaky toy. Do I have any takers? They're looking at me, but I'm going to wait. Oh, look at this one. This is also by Frisco. This is the eyeball ice cream. Looks like a little cone, some blood going on. Oh, that squeaks too. That is adorable. And then one last thing. Soft baked carrots and peas, real turkey, grain-free turkey recipe. These little baked bites. They will definitely enjoy that. So that's what we got. We got 2 bags of treats, 2 squeaky toys, a bandana, a Halloween banner, and a recipe. So I thought this was a great box. I'm definitely happy with that. Treats, as you know, can be quite expensive. So bundling these things together actually is a very good idea. So I do hope you have a great day. Thanks for coming by, and I'll see you soon.